What's up guys, this is Brett here from brettdev.com, coming at you once again from Chiang Mai in Thailand. And today I've got another cheap apartment video for you guys. Now I know you appreciate these. When you come to Chiang Mai, there are a bunch of cheap apartment options for you to check out. So my friend Matt is staying at this place called Hoi Khao Place. Now there's a popular condo up the street called Hoi Khao Residence. I've seen that place, but I've never seen Hoi Khao Place. So this is right next door, basically. Apparently, there's a few apartments along this street. There's luxury Hoi Khao over here, Hoi Khao Place here, and Hoi Khao Residence over there. Now, he pays, I believe, around 3,000 or 4,000 baht a month for this condo, which is ridiculously cheap for the area. So this is situated right next to Nimman, which is one of the nicest areas in Chiang Mai. It's within walking distance from the old city. It's pretty much the perfect location if you are staying in Chiang Mai. So like I say, he's paying 3,000 to 4,000 baht. I haven't seen it, so I don't know what it's like. I'm about to give him a call. He's gonna come down from the condo and let me in. And I'm gonna take you guys around, give you a little tour. So if it's nice, then perhaps you can come, perhaps it's in your budget, and perhaps there'll be another good place for you to check out when you get here. So let me give him a call and I'll be right back. You alright, mate? I'm downstairs. I'm by the motorbikes, by the motorbike parking. Alright. Alright, see you in a sec, mate. Bye. Bye. Okay. How much do you pay for this?
Total 1 month is 4,800 plus the deposit.
Oh, 4,800.
Yeah, but
right.
It's like on a 3 month thing, it'd be about 4,300, 4,400.
Right, so it's cheaper.
It's about 100 quid if you 3 months.
Right, okay, so they do rolling 1 month contracts.
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's what a lot of people are looking for. So guys, a lot of those apartments that you're checking out, you can't actually get unless you get like a 3 month contract, like the Sarisa one that I showed in another video, which I'll put a link up here. You can only get on a 3 month contract. So this one is 1 month, yeah? And it's 4,800 for 1 month, which is a really good deal. So
that's with router and a fridge.
oh wow, so you get the internet and the fridge?
Yeah.
Right, okay, awesome.
Yeah, it's be about 4,300 for 1 month.
Right.
Without any of that.
Right.
It'd be lower.
Oh, so you're paying for the router and the fridge on top?
Yeah,
right, okay. Alrighty. Oh, this is clean, man.
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay, so this is it. Awesome. Okay, so sweet. You got aircon?
Yep.
Little desk. You could get like a desk chair, I suppose, if you had like.
If I wanted to.
If you wanted to, yeah. Fridge.
Yep.
Wow, this is much more modern than Sarisa Wan, but about the same price and about the same size.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's right in the heart of Nimman, really.
Yeah. Bathroom.
It's really, really simple as a room.
Wow, this is really nice compared to some other ones I've seen, man. Fucking hell. But there's no balcony, right?
No, that is the trade-off here.
Yeah.
Is the actual view is like other apartment blocks.
Yeah, not a great view, but still, for the money, guys, this is really good. So it's like 4,300 rolling 1 month.
Yeah.
Cheaper if you get a contract. Probably get down to like 3,800, I'm guessing.
Somewhere around there. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're talking sub 100.
And what's that in pounds?
About 100 quid.
Talk like £100 a month, guys, to stay here, and it's like fresh and it's clean. All the other condos I've gone to look at that are around this price, they're way far out of town and they're old as fuck. So this is clean, new, really good deal. Probably the best one I found, I would say.
Oh right, okay. I just stumbled into it.
Yeah. For the price and the location.
Yeah, it's the location. I mean, you've just got like Nimman, what, 5 minutes away?
You can walk everywhere.
More?
You can walk everywhere.
5 minutes away, yeah.
You're like 5 minutes from Nimman. 5 minutes from the old city, yeah. Really, really top location, guys. And like I say, it's aircon. How much does your aircon bill come out at each month?
I don't know, I've only just moved in.
It wouldn't be a lot because it's a small room.
I think it's like 7 baht a unit or something like that.
Right, yeah, it's about the standard city
and
rate.
I don't know what it is, so I suspect it'd be a few hundred baht.
Yeah. Really good deal. Okay, this is awesome, guys. So this is Hoi Khao Place. I'll put a map in the description below, and yeah, make sure you definitely come and check this out if you're looking for a place to stay. So just as I was wrapping up this video and we were about to leave, it actually occurred to me that I've been on the lookout for an apartment myself lately. I've been looking for a bigger place, maybe something with a couple of bedrooms. So on the way out, me and Matt stopped by reception and we asked them if they'd show us around. So we got a little bit of footage from a 1-bedroom apartment here and from a 2-bedroom apartment here. So the one that you're looking at right now is a 2-bedroom apartment. It has a living room with kind of like the kitchen sort of built in. It has a bathroom with a bathtub, which is pretty rare for Thailand. It's got the 2 bedrooms and both of them had air conditioning, and this one cost per month, it was 12,000 baht a month, and that's for the 2 bedroom. The condition of this place was pretty good. This also had a balcony with a much better view and, like you can see, a TV. So the view from the balcony, you can see the mountains there and Tep up on the top there, so it's a pretty sweet view. The price isn't bad for a 2-bedroom place. If there's a couple of you, even splitting it, however you wanted to do it. This one is a 1-bedroom apartment, so this one hadn't been renovated, so this looks a little bit older, but it had a huge front room compared to the other one, and the bathroom was bigger. And as you can see again, there's a you'll see now, there's a bathtub in this bathroom as well, which must just be common in this condo. And in the living room, again, the kitchen is kind of, it's not so much right in your face in this apartment. So this 1-bedroom one was 10,000 per month, and it also had a good balcony view. The balcony was big. The place didn't look very clean, but I'm assuming that for sure they'd clean it before you moved in. So again, this is a really good deal if you want like a separate living space, if you want like a bedroom and a living room and you want a lot more room rather than staying in a studio apartment. It is more expensive at like 10,000 compared to the 4,008 that Matt was paying, but you do have a bit bigger apartment. Both of these rooms, they required a deposit. I believe it was like 2 months upfront deposit. I'm not sure how it would work if you went on a month-to-month basis. I told the receptionist, that I'd be looking to move in for at least 3 months. So she gave me kind of the free monthly rate with the deposit. So, and just on the way out, we were on the, I think it's like the 9th floor. And right up here you'll see there was like a roof garden, which Matt didn't know about, because even though he's been living here for a while, but he lives down, I think it's on like the 3rd or 4th floor. So this was kind of like an interesting discovery. If you look around, they've got like plants growing up here. You could come out here and sunbathe, I guess, just chill out. And if you look up the road here, this is Hoi Khao Road, so this goes all the way to the old city, and then in the opposite direction, that's on the way to Nimman, and you're kind of sandwiched right between the two, between the old city and Nimman. So the location here is pretty awesome. Okay guys, one more thing before you leave. If you've got any other questions about Chiang Mai, obviously there's lots of videos on this channel you can check out. But what I want you to do is head over to my new website. It's called askchiangmai.com, and we have something really special coming for you there. Right now you can just sign up. We've got a free guide coming, but it will be a full-fledged website. So make sure you head over there and sign up. And like I say, we've got something in the works for you that you're really going to like, especially if you're going to be coming to Chiang Mai. So until next time guys, this is Brett from BrettDev.com, and we're out. Peace.